Just how reliable is your Windows 11 installation? Well, you probably have an opinion about that. Yeah, I'm sure you do. But let's check in to Windows 11 and take a look at a little known feature that is called the Reliability Monitor. Yeah, Microsoft is tracking the reliability of your Windows 11. Let's see what it has to say about it. So I'm going to go down to the search area and I'm going to say reliability. And as I'm typing it, sure enough, view reliability history comes up. And this is a look at the ever-evolving reliability of my Windows 11 machine. Notice there's this scale of 1 to 10 at the top, and there's this line chart that is showing the reliability over time. And sure enough, one of the key ingredients that goes into the reliability of this machine is how many errors that we are getting. So let's check a very bad period of time here and notice there's lots of critical events. And now looking at this closely, I realize that it's Microsoft Teams Updater that caused that. I don't run Microsoft Teams. I try and kill it whenever I don't need it. If I need it, of course, I run it. So sure enough, I think these had to do with the fact that I had shut down Teams from running on this machine and it was trying to update itself. But notice we can certainly go and investigate that now that we see a look at it. Sure enough, there was other informational events that occurred in this time period, but they're not of big a concern for me. If we back it up, we'll see there was some warning events about failed Windows updates that deal with Microsoft.yourphone. Well, not going to care too much about that because I don't sync my phone to my Windows 11. But you get the idea. This reliability monitor is a really nice way for you to see your reliability rating and how it is changing, and it provides a convenient interface for you to check out major critical errors that might be occurring in your Windows 11 environment. Now, something that's pretty neat I must mention here is if you go over and check out my Splunk playlist here at my YouTube channel, one of the things I'm going to be doing in that Splunk playlist is I'm going to actually have Splunk monitor this Windows 11 machine, and we're going to build our own dashboard of reliability. And I challenge Microsoft on this. I think I'm going to be building a much better look at this inside of Splunk. But that's neither here nor there. I hope you have enjoyed this look at the reliability monitor that is built into your Windows 11. This is another great tool I think you should take advantage of to ensure that your Windows 11 is happy and healthy. Thanks so much for watching.